So hello guys, this is Prashant again here, and today I'm going to try changing the thermal paste of this Dell Inspiron 15R5520 laptop. So this is my college laptop actually, and it has been like since 2012 till 2020. That's 8 years. It's been almost 7 to 8 years that I haven't done any kind of modification. So I'm starting with thermal paste. Soon I'll be making a video while I'll be changing the RAM of this laptop. Okay, so for now I think this laptop needs immediate attention for its thermal paste change. So because it has a good heat sink, but the issue is does not the heat transfer is not taking properly, and when I play games like Call of Duty or Battlefield, it shuts down due to overheating. So I'm gonna do it now. So the thermal paste that I'm gonna use is Master Gel Pro. I bought it from Amazon. So I've unscrewed the whole CPU. See the processor here, and now I'll just open it. Yep, you see, either this or this is a processor. I don't know which one is. I have to clean and see actually. Okay, and if you see the heat from this goes and this transferred over here, heat from this goes and this transferred over here, and this is the part that fans it. Okay, so you can actually separately clean this as well, but I've already cleaned it before, so I don't need to, and I'm not going to cover that in this video. So I'm going to clean this part and clean this part first. Here I bought this from Flipkart, this Camon isopropyl alcohol. This is very pure, and this is meant for thermal paste and sanitized electronics items. So I'll use this. This is the Magic Element Master Gel Pro, costing 790 rupees on Amazon. Okay, so here it goes. So let me just tell you again, as soon as I am done with it, I'll put it here. Okay, and yeah, I have to place it properly. Make sure this is properly cleaned before I start applying my thermal paste. See, this is a new design thermal paste. I need not to worry about anything regarding if I spill over or what, because this is a non-conductive thermal paste. So I'm done over here. I'll close it. It's now time to pack up. Yeah, we are done.